Alright, today we got some enemy designs. I'm planning on prototyping. I have several I just kind of like basically brainstorm with. So what we're gonna do is try to get through a few of these today. I'm going to just generically create some like placeholder animations and then get the AI hopefully working with like little attacks, just to give kind of like a rough starting point for when finished art comes in later and more fleshed out enemy ideas come around as far as like what kind of theme and what they look like and what kind of little creature they are. But before you know all that, you can do a lot with just the type of attack and how they're gonna move and how you have to fight them, which is probably the most important part of an enemy design. We just a few more things I need to take care of first. Looks good. I think audio should be a little bit better on the stream, but hopefully it's fine. Alright, so first up, I have... Let me make sure this is... This might be with the boss currently. Yeah. Let me move this back to our jungle testing map. Add all my new objects. Which right now is just farm animals, so I'll probably get rid of a bunch of them as we test out new animals or new monsters. There was a bat I didn't quite finish. I think I'll still do that off stream. So right now we mostly just have a slime that just kind of walks towards you, pretty basic. I think the first enemy I'm going to make here is a small, weak enemy that just kind of like runs directly into you. Kind of similar to the slime, but they're quicker and they're going to be one-hit kill. I might edit the slime a little bit as far as personality, I guess, how they operate. But I'm picturing like an enemy. A little small thing that just like dashes directly into you. They're like one-hit kill, so like individually they're really easy and no problem, but in numbers they could be annoying. But still relatively weak enemy, so they'll like dash straight into you, but then there's like a significant cooldown after they do their little dash attack to give you time to get away or kill them. So let's just add. Color doesn't matter because we're just prototyping. Let's use this red. Probably gonna be like 20 by 20 is probably fine. What we need, animation wise, is an idle animation. Walking animation in 3 different directions, right, up, and down. It walks left, you flip the right. And then a little dash attack. Which will probably be like a looping animation. So let's just do 20 by 20 grid. We're just interested in the rough prototype, so it's just kind of blobby. This will be its legs. This is our enemy. This will be our placeholder idle animation. So it's not snapping when I want. So we want a run right placeholder. See if I can just at least make it look like a run. Would be the passing frame. And the legs are switched here. Reuse that. That's run right, and then we need to run up. Gonna look weird with the lack of details here. We'll just copy that for down. It's close enough for now. And then we need a little dash loop, which is also in each of 3 directions, actually. So dash right. Be like that. I'm picturing like a weapon, however. Let's actually make it a little bigger. Give room for the weapon. I did my math wrong. So we'll just have make it just like a slight lean forward. And then little blobby guy has a little dagger. So there's dash right. And we want like dash up. Add a little effect to it. Make it a little nicer. So this will be up. Hello. Inev. How's it going? Welcome in. Trying to get through some quick enemy prototypes just to get something I can work with programming wise. All right, this is the dash up attack. Let's do the same thing for dash down. Doing good, making some enemies and heroes too. Nice. What kind of game are you working on? I like the enemy design stage. It's usually a pretty fun part of game development. Right. Why is it not snapping so clearly? Come on. There we go. And then this one's the opposite foot. Just focus on the enemies and heroes. The game will come later. Hear that? Sounds good. There are many parts of a game, so as long as you're working on something, you're making progress. Alright, so dash, 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 and then I want like a little cooldown. After he's tired of dashing. So let's add another row. I actually need idle in each direction too. Let's go ahead and make room for that. Oops. One. Nope. Nope. $70. That. Move all this down. So this is idle. Let me idle down and up, honestly. And this will be idle right. It's just to show that the animation is working. And make it a little squish idle animation. Squish a little bit more there, copy this frame over, and there you got a squishy idle loop. So we got our idles, walk, dash, we need the cooldown. 360. So this is where he's just kind of holding the sword, or a little dagger. Down. He's kind of like bent over because he's tired. And then we'll just squish to move again. And that'll be a loop. This will be something similar. Just to show the sword to set it apart from the idol. Don't have enough details on this guy to make that look good. So we'll just do a little two-frame squish loop there. Do the same thing for facing down as well. Alright, I think we got our animation set up. So we'll call this a little dashy guy. Copy spirit slime. Little dashy guy for now. You know, I'll prefix these guys with proto. Probably needs a hurt animation as well. Idol's probably fine for that, because they'll usually die in one hit. Alright, let's set all these animations up now. So we got 0, 0, XY, width is 30, 30, 4 frames, loop is true, frame step. That's fine. The game I'm working on is an action RPG. It doesn't have a title yet, though. But it'll be kind of similar to like Zelda: Link to the Past, or Secret of Mana, or Secret of Evermore. So it'll be like a multi-party system where you and some teammates control the AI, fight monsters, and use alchemy as the magic system. So there'll be like dungeons and some puzzles as well. But yeah, I hope to soon. Let's see, I'm just gonna delete that. Soonish, I'll have a bigger announcement with more details on the game. But right now, there's some basic details on my blog. There's a link below the stream if you want to see that. That just kind of details the basics of the game. Once I get these animations set up, takes a bit of work, but I'll get a basic sprite added into the game. So our idols are directional. That's what's going on. We got idle. Right up and down. And then we got it's more like a run than a walk. Walk right up and down. Here, I'll go ahead and get this dude added. Let's add a new enemy ID. That, and then we need to add him to our tile set, so I can add him. Open. Enemies. How did I add the bat? I think I have a separate. Put a little dashy guy in here. And get him added to the map. So resources. Here we go. Here we go. Update this. That. Testing. There he is. Alright, put him over here. Piggies, you gotta go for now. No, no. Are you not in the objects? Alright, don't need piggies, don't need the mouse. Keep the random animal, background animals at the bottom. And we'll see how this goes. So, let's get rid of some old stuff. Map. Build helpers over here. Need a prefab. Boring. And then should be good. So many steps to go through. Alright, might be good. I need to set that up. Art box. I think enemy attack is something. Need to add the enemy data as well. Should create a checklist. Honestly. I do need the attack box. Thought that was set elsewhere. Right? Alright, so there's our dude. Just chilling, because there's no AI yet. But he's got... He hurts the player, and I can kill it. Yep, that's fine. So we got the basics down there. I'm gonna create a checklist now, so that goes smoothly next time. Enemy checklist is... I want to duplicate an existing class. I'll just do create new enemy in an XML file, create ID, duplicate an existing class and rename, add enemy to enemies, add enemy, tiled map, enemy branch to map build helper, create prefab, assign hurt box, attack box, and fighting object. Attack. It's an enemy attack. I think that was pretty much everything. We'll keep that in mind for next time. So, back to what we got. This little dude, a little off with the shadow, doesn't matter. So what we want is probably just like stationary for this type of enemy until you get close enough, and then it's just like a beeline straight towards you. Could be like a little bit of movement. Trying to think, like efficiency wise, if I'm making a lot of enemies, I'd have some, I could have some like generic movement AI set up so I don't have to like copy and paste it and edit a few things every time. But I would want finer control over that as well. Or maybe not. Let's see. The slimes aren't moving because they're off screen right now. So the movement should already exist in this dude's class because I copied the slimes. So we'll just use that. I'm going to go back to getting these animations set up now. will be boring, but a must. Middle up. Starts at Y30. Down is Y60. We got run. Right up down. And then we got dash right up down. And then we got our cooldown. I think that's all the order, so I just gotta increment the Y here. Cooldowns only have 2 frames. Alright, there's our animations. We have an aggro and an unaggro. Create a set to idle, which I just did with. What was the last enemy I made, or animal I made? Ow. I'll copy some of that. I don't need this direction update because when it moves toward the player, the angle's constantly changing as the player's moving. That's what this is for. Kind of break some of this with the direction though. I was handling it a little bit weird with the slime. But this is when we set movement. So I can go ahead and set the new direction. And still running. And then we just do it again here. So that updates move angle, right? Yeah. And that calls translate. Else. Call translate there. That, correct the Z chord no matter what. Alright, let's see how broken it is. It's already too close, I think. You want this a little bit smaller. I don't know, that's not that... That's crazy, 120. What's up, Palu Plop? How's it going? Welcome in. Alright, how... Doesn't look like I'm close enough already. Maybe it just happened to move toward me last time and then got in the radius. Now it's frozen though. I think he's just off screen. Forget about that. Idle. If I get close enough, it should, yeah, run after me. So it is mostly working. I prefer dynamic or kinematic body type. I mean, you use different ones for different purposes, right? I think I usually have most things dynamic. Alright, I need to decrease his movement speed. And then give him like a separate run speed. Private const float. Speed, which is gonna be like 100. Quite fast. Well, not really. The dash attack at the end is gonna be quick. Yeah, I think the type is kind of based on like what your whole game is set up around, how everything works together. So, see, there was something else I wanted to do next besides just slow down his walk speed. I think that's good. Let's make him, when he's aggroed, we use the run speed instead of the walk speed. By the way, we'll do that. Let's see. It's part of translate, so update. Probably want to make this one private. Move speed is the variable I want to switch back and forth with. So when we're aggroed, we're gonna set move speed to run speed. I want to see how I did it for the spider. Attack move speed. Oh, I am calling that. And that overrides panicked adjustment, which I don't want. Maybe I don't want... No, it's not really helpful there if I need to be using the move speed as a separate variable in the class anyway. Just fix bugs and I'll make a note, come back to that another day. For the walk speed, it's 30. Hello, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Thank you for the GGs, I appreciate it. It's always good to get the little tiny boost of confidence when something works. We want to reset to walk speed after we're no longer aggroed. So move speed is run speed when we're aggroed. When we unaggro, move speed is now walk speed. That way, whenever we call translate, it just uses move speed, and there's gonna be bugs. Gotta change a lot of stuff. Maybe I do want something like that. Alright, I think what I need to do, so we'll give this an option. I can just translate it based on any speed. That's a lot of stuff's working. And I'll just add this. Whether or not we're panicked or not. Into that directly, that way we'll keep this as a shortcut that just adds move speed. That might work. So then I can actually keep doing that method like that, so I can not have to worry about that. Just need a run speed. And that gets called or used. Ideally here. We'll make a shortcut there. I think that'll be fine. Then we can use that there. So then back to Proto Dashy guy. Add in run speed when we move to a player. Alright, let's see if all that worked. Alright, he's just walking. Alright, there's our run speed. And if I outrun, he stops. Alright, cool. Awesome. Running is working. Next up, let's add the dash attack. Let's get rid of that bat because it keeps bugging me. Bye, bat. So we need another radius. Do attack radius. Or when we're close enough to do a little dash attack. Just call it 60 for now. Set up a method for it. Right, this is where we're aggroed. We're outside of the unaggro. We unaggro. Now let's check. If the distance is less than the attack radius, we'll do our dash attack. And we'll add a dashing boolean. And the dash attack, copy this based on direction, which will be up to date. I'll do anim, what did I call it? Attack? Dash. addition to run speed, we need a dash speed now, which is even faster. So that sets dashing to true, sets the animation. Need to enable the new. So right now, by default, when you just touch it, it hurts you. I think I'm gonna disable that and just make the attack collision happen when it's dashing. Should I just set this to false? Enabled to false? Let me see what I did. Some other stuff. No Enchanted Cave 3 in the works now. So in the mini boss we have ground pound attack. I don't see where I set it or enable it on or off. No, it did. Oh, that's just the information. Here we go. Yeah, I'm just doing set active. Got it. Let's see what we got here. So I think I want to disable that by default. That'll make him not actually dangerous. It does change the animation. I don't know what that is. That's not right. There's no collision looking at against me, hurting wise. I wonder what the animation is weird though. I think I just didn't do one of the animations correctly. Yeah, I got offset here. There we go. Alright, that'll fix that. So, enemy attack, I think, is a game object currently. It's actually not, I don't have the reference to it. think it's probably just an attack. Game object. Set back to false by default, and then Proto Dashy Guy attack is a new attack colliders type. I'll set up that. Let's just do that. That's what I want. I'll do that at all. Something like that. And then I can remove, we're just gonna like dynamically create it. Because we're using special colliders. So from Proto Dashy Guy I can just delete that, I think. Should be fine. Attack colliders, we got our new Proto Dashy Guy attack. Blah 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 blah. I think I need to keep a variable for that. False by default. Alright, let's see if there's any bugs. Let's see if it runs. Oh yeah, that did some. That's not set up yet. Dashy Guy attack. Position. Go ahead and set this up. So this uses boxes. We'll do that the same here. It's pretty close to the slime punch. Copy that. And this gives us... There's so many. Oh, there's not. It looked like 4. There's just 2 with curved. I don't think I want the edge radius. Basically do that. What we can do is set this to true when we're dashing. And when we're dashing, we don't change direction. We need a dash time. Like half a second. Be set to true, dash time is 0, and then our movement update. Just lock you into the dashing if we're dashing. Basically, all we have to do is update the translation of the dash speed. Then dash time. Dash time is less than equal to 0. Set back to idle. Which sets dashing to false there. That might be all we have to do, and then we'll just have to set up and adjust the collision boxes. Dashed right into the explosion barrel. Explosive box. We gotta go on here. Alright, I did dash time backwards. We'll do minus, it makes sense. Just do dash time starts at dash time, and then it goes backwards. It's already starting at 0, so it's just going back every frame. Bad. We're getting closer. What's going on, Zim the Tim? We got a little dashy, stabby guy going on currently. Mostly working. Got a few more adjustments to make. Working on mainly just a bunch of different prototype enemies. So no finished art or anything, just basic AI and enemy movements. So dashing runs at enemies, not dashing for a single frame, these gets dashed back. I need to here reset the collision. When we're done dashing. Pulse. And I need to add the cooldown. That might fix most of the bugs. Make an enemy which runs at you and explodes. Yeah, that's a possibility. It's kind of what this guy sorta does. I mean, if I did that, it would be based on this enemy. This guy runs at you and then just dives into you with some kind of attack. In the little prototype, it gave him a little dagger, but it could be like an alligator that just like chomps at you or something. Could be anything. Just getting the general gameplay of the enemies done is arguably the most important thing. Let's give him a cooldown time. After all that dashing, he's gotta rest. For like 2 seconds. We'll do cooldown time. Cooling as well. Do you have jumping implemented? Not whenever you want. You can jump down cliffs. It's like a Link to the Past where you can jump off of cliffs. It's kind of like a movement mechanic, map design mechanic. So that's the jumping. But other than that, no. So that the there's going to be a lot of puzzle elements. So you won't be able to just like jump over certain puzzles. So when we're done dashing, we're tired. So we need to do cooldown time is cooldown time. So cooling is true. I'll just make it a method. Because we need to do this as well. It's getting crowded up there. Cool. Did I name it? Cooldown. Cooldown. It's good, and then basically I just need to copy this now. Have cooling take priority. Cooling, we're just gonna decrease cool time. So I don't actually want to set it to idle because we're going directly into the cooling. We want dashing to be false. Might be all. Might be everything I need. We'll see. Alright, he's stuck on the idle there. Gotta fix that. Dashes just for a little bit. And then he's tired. I want there still to be collision, just not to hurt you. Maybe I should change that. I think the main reason I didn't have the player and enemy touch is so that you could dodge roll through them. But maybe it won't be a big deal. Turn it on otherwise. And now he's like a part of the world at least. I feel like killing. Alright, that looks good. I mean, honestly, the rest of like the tweaking time-wise and everything is gonna depend on what type of enemy he actually is. Oh, there's one bug, this one right there, after it goes back to idle, cool is done. But if he's walking, what's going on there? So still aggroed. It should be running this code, right? He's aggroed, but he's not. Oh, it's because it doesn't update. Yeah, if new direction is not direction. So I think we just need to do this and cool down. It's over, or they put it here probably. And idle. Set the direction to none and idle, that way it gets updated when he starts moving again. Dash, tired, walks again, good. We need to reactivate the colliders, is that what's going on? No, he only moves again. Doesn't actually dash. Aggro, it says he's dashing, but he's not. Strange. I'll have to check that. I'll be right back though, I just gotta pee. Just got the additional attacks I need to fix. Let's check if this gets called again. Does get called. Y60, I think that's idled down. And the test gets called and gets set to run up. The only place dash. I see, I see. Just need to add a return there so it then skips this stuff, the running code, because we are dashing now. Is this? Alright. How I'm gonna solve this is just give it a little bit of time. Just as a buffer. Call it buffer time. And this is after the cooldown. When it resets to other stuff. It's gonna be just like point. It's kind of like a time when it's he's done cooling down and he's just kind of like looking around, walking toward the player and processing whether to dash again or not. So we need cooldown time 0, set buffer time. Buffer time. We do here if buffer time is less than equal to 0. And we're in the back raise, then we dash attack. Otherwise, we just do this stuff. Yeah, that looks good. The attack box is going away now. Or, oh, I'm just not resetting it. That's why I need that. need a separate one. There we go. Even cuts the grass, that's nice. Leading into a box though. That's fun. I'll throw a box at him next time. Cool. Dashy guy. It's finished. So with that knowledge, we can move on to a new enemy and probably make it go a little faster. Depending on what type of AI it needs. So next up we got an enemy that throws objects. That would be a fun enemy. Don't know how much I'm feeling like implementing that today. We'll do the medium-sized slow enemy. Lots of HP and doesn't really do much. It moves around slowly, but it has a big area of effect attack, like a big charge up and a big cooldown. Really easy to dodge, but quite a bit of HP, and in combination with like smaller quick enemies like the little dashy dude, slimes or spiders, it would be a challenging enemy in some situations, I think. So we got Dashy guy. Let's open. Let's look at my checklist here. So, new enemy in XML. Name's gonna be Proto. Slow AoE. Enemy. Let's say slow AoE. Max HP is like 100. All that, figure all that out later. We can actually design the enemy. Enemy appearance and details. And create a new ID. Just an enemy. Proto. Slow AoE. And we need to duplicate an existing class. Duplicate Dashy guy since we're just familiar with him. Proto. Slow AoE. And then add an enemy to here. Make him this color. This is him. Give him some eyes. That, and then export. Maybe add him. Oh, something I wanted to do earlier was add a bunch of these guys. See how that plays. A bunch of little dashy guys, because that was the kind of one of the main purposes of them. Easy on their own for the most part, but dangerous in groups. Just kind of swarm you. But they're not too bad with their cooldowns. Cool. Cool, that's fine. Alright, let's get rid of those guys. Let's add our next enemy prototype. It's this dude. And then we go to map build helper. Good, and then we can create this prefab. Replace the script. Proto slow AoE. And down here. Might be the same situation as the dashy guy, where if touching him doesn't hurt you, it's just the actual attack. Box, there it is. See it earlier. Box, attack box if there is one. Fighting, let's see, I think that was... Yeah, that gets assigned. Alright, I think that's good. So this looks like a dashy guy, acts like a dashy guy because I just duplicated it, but it's actually this proto slow AoE new character. With all the code set up. Cool. So this guy's gonna be a little bit bigger. Let's see. I think I'll do like 80 by 80. Not that big. Use that to center. Right, so type of enemy I'm kind of thinking of, roughly speaking. It's a mushroom. Secret mana.
Hello again, everyone.
I can't find a video of it. Little mushroom dudes that like shoot out like a area of effect spore cloud. But this guy could be anything, but gameplay wise, that's gonna be the the attack of this dude. Try to make him a little bit bigger as well. Alright, we'll do 60. Similar to the Dashy, we'll do 4-frame animation placeholders. So we need an idle in every direction, a walk in every direction. I mean, we'll just plan for a single direction for the attack. Probably be fine. So 7 rows. Pretty simple. It's alright. I'm gonna just do the flip animation. And I trust my code now that I've done Dashy Guy. And I have to do separate directional placeholders. So this is a walking pose. I'll use a darker color. Pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Let's give him like more arms. There we go. And then let's see, we need, that's move. It's idle. 3 different directions of move. Be right, up, and down. Idle will be right, up, and down. Do a little squish. And then we need a charge up for the attack. Charge up, and then just do 3 frames. We'll do a new row. Probably be what the final art is on. Another 80 would be 640. So there's our AoE attack. Looks good. Enemies slow AoE. Roto, slow AoE, we will export him. Alright, so the animations are idle right, 0, 0, all these 30s. Replaced with 80s. The width and height. And then this goes just down. And Y. 20. And there's no dash. Sixth one, we got charge. And these are all 2 frames. Charge is 3 frames, pretty slow. Walk, not run. Charge is at 480, and then we got attack 560. Is a 2 frame loop. Charge is not a loop. So I don't think this enemy's gonna be aggroed or unaggroed. Just gonna be doing his own thing, walking randomly. Doesn't really care about the players, just occasionally does this AoE attack. Pretty simple. Kind of mostly just part of the environment. He's more like an environment hazard than an enemy that really cares about you. Could be made so that he actually hurts other enemies too. That could be fun. Let's do the walk speed. It's gonna be pretty slow. 30. It's just gonna kind of meander. I'll do a unique walking AI for this guy. Something a little different. Which might be one of my generic movement types that I might implement later on. Just making a note of that. So this guy might like smoothly just kind of meander, rather than right now my meandering code for enemies is just like walk in a straight line for a little bit, wait, and then pick another random angle. I'm walking a straight line for a little bit. Make another version that's more smooth. Don't need run speed, don't need dash speed, don't need dash time, cooldown. Let's see, I'm trying to think what variables this guy's gonna need. Need Move time. Is that? It will randomly alternate between move and wait, or move and idle. Charge up will be based on the animation speed. Probably. Oh, the attack is true, so we need an attack time. I think I'm gonna do this similar to the animals. Just have a wait time. And then it picks a random action at the end of the wait. Correction, attacking, we do need that. Create a new attack colliders. Which needs a new prefab. Yeah, we'll set it up like this. This setup allows me to animate colliders for different attacks based on the frame. Don't really need for the prototype, but eventually, once I get the final art, I might fine-tune it, different size colliders. Based on the frame of the attack and what's happening. So let's create the new attack colliders for that. Radius is going to be like 40. Did I mess something up? No. I don't think so. I was just going to here. Enemies is Proto Slow AoE. The art probably gonna be a little bit more. Shadow's gonna be a little bit bigger. Alright, so update movement we got. Doesn't have a dash attack. Keep an idle. I need a cool method. So when we're moving, I'm gonna do. Probably could copy this from like a cow, but probably do it in a similar amount of time like this. Wait time 0. Then we will create some randomness if let's do 0.3 attack, else if R is less than 0.7. I'm going to random move, else set to idle. Time when we're idle, we just wait for, I don't know, a random amount of time. From seconds to 2 seconds. All gonna get changed. I mean, it's all placeholder now. Anyway, it's gonna change when we get an actual enemy design in here. We're gonna move for a random amount of time between 2 and 4 seconds. And then attack special. Keep that there anyway. We don't need a whole new method for this. This is small enough. Anyway, it's not too crazy. So we'll do sprite, set new animation, anim charge, set attacking to true, and then here we check to see if the animation's completed. Then we'll go back to idle. Actually, we need charging and attacking separately. So charging is true. Charging, if we're charging, and the animation's completed, then we set the animation to the attack animation. Set attacking to true. No longer charging. So now we're gonna go here. We also set attack time to attack. And while we're attacking, attack time is equals adjusted delta time. And when that reaches 0, set to idle, reset everything. I don't think I need that. Probably just gonna mess it up. So attack colliders get set to true as soon as we start attacking. And then they got knocked back to false and idle. There's a lot of stuff, so. Alright. Just kind of chilling. Oh, there we go. Give me something. I don't think I didn't finish the movement. Yeah, I just doesn't do anything. So that's why he's just not doing anything until the lighter shows up though. It's nice. we need to get this this meandering movement before going. Why is that? Alright, how am I gonna move this dude? I have a general idea of what his movement's gonna be like. It's just kind of like a meandering, smoothly adjusting the angle type of a movement. Alright, I have a general idea. Let's do... I think he already has move, angle. Copy that over. Get a random one. Which gets us the movement vector as well. Do a moving boolean as well. Moving is true. Moving, we translate. Let's see. Let's do some trial and error here. Gonna do real time since startup, but since you can pause the game and slow down time occasionally, I don't want you to be able to like exploit how the enemy moves based on that. So in the base enemy class, which I might even move to the base fighting object. Actually do that. That's what the players extend as well. Just gonna add Protected. Local time. Is that descriptive enough? Local alive time. Let's do local time. And then here we'll just do so, back to here. Put a sign on that local time. Times some small number. What's also going to be, well, be per second. Times 5 times. And then we'll adjust this 5 number. Do that so it's always moving. To test. Alright, I think I need something there. Like barely adjusting movement. Oh, the movement. Where's movement? That. That is moving quite a bit. I just need to do this. Take the actual vector. So let's go back to. Actually, I am gonna need something there. That's the frequency adjustment, and 5 is the magnitude adjustment. There we go. He's doing some circle stuff now. Alright, the circles are a little bit tight. I'm gonna slow down his animation to kind of match the slowness of this dude. And then the frequency needs to be a little less. Or actually, frequency might need to be more. This needs to be less. Yeah, we got a nice little meandering movement there. He left the screen. think I want frequency a little bit less, and I'll probably just leave it there, because it's a prototype anyway. All the finer details will be adjusted once I get more context on the enemy. That looks good. Good enough for now anyway. Let's adjust these numbers back. Everything should be working together. So we got some random movement. Lots of random movement. Need to adjust his facing, his direction, that's what I'm forgetting. Let me do this. Alright, so it's doing his random movement. There should be, every time he stops, a 30% chance. There's a charge attack, yeah. Oh, it, Did I have collision? I think it just needs to be a... Snapped him down. Let me confirm. Pretty sure that's what's going on. Yeah, I'm using triggers. So. Alright. I'd like to move you in the boxes. That would look nice. Go. There we go. We got our attack working. It's hurting the boxes. Excellent. All right. I think that's gonna be it for today. We got 2 new enemy prototypes. I'll add the dashy guy back in for our recap. I'll add a few more of these guys. So just with their lovely placeholder art. We got some medium-sized yellow guys that just kind of meander around. And then occasionally they'll have like a fairly wide area of effect attack. Need to adjust their health. And then these little red guys are weak, and then they just dash towards you, and then they have like a little cooldown because they're tired after dashing. I think I need to... Yeah, I need to reset that as well. That's what's going on. One more thing I forgot to do. Right. When attack, we do... AoE attack reset. That's it. Alright, so that hits me. Good. Should hit me again. Yep. All good. Alright, 2 new enemy designs, awesome. Want to check or forget why this dude's HP broken, because I thought I added that. Just not get added? So HP's... Why is it HP 20? Attack... Oh, the ID, I never updated that. Apparently. Surely I didn't update it in the wrong one. Or a dashy guy. It's all good. Right here. Here we go. Proto slow AoE. That'll do it. Just had the ID set to the dashy guy instead. So yeah, they should take multiple hits now. Got the burn almost working. Some adjustments to be made there. Awesome. Alright, that's it for today. I got 2 new enemy designs, so it's good progress. See you guys later. Probably next Monday. Not sure though. But thanks for hanging out. Until next time.